In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cash calculator in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and practical worksheet you can use to quickly calculate change after receiving payment. It's especially useful if you want a fast way to compare the total amount due with the cash received without doing the math manually every time. We'll keep this very straightforward so you can build it in just a moment and then reuse it whenever you need it. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create the table for your cash calculator. Set up the worksheet so you have clear labels for the values you'll be working with. The key fields in this example are total amount, cash received, and the result column where the change will appear. Keeping your table organized is important because it makes the calculator easier to read and reduces mistakes when entering amounts. If you want, you can also adjust the column widths so the text fits neatly and everything looks clean on the screen. Once the table is ready, move to the row where you want the calculation to happen. In this example, cell E2 contains the total amount and cell F2 contains the cash received. That means the result will be placed in G2. Before typing the formula, make sure the values in E2 and F2 are numbers. If they are entered correctly as numeric values, Excel will be able to calculate the result instantly. Now click on cell G2 and type the formula equals F2 minus E2, like this, equals F2 minus E2. Then press enter. This tells Excel to subtract the total amount from the cash received, which gives you the change. For example, if the total amount is 150 and the cash received is 200, the formula will return 50. That means the customer should receive 50 in change. At this point, your cash calculator is working. Whenever you update the amount in E2 or the cash received in F2, Excel will automatically recalculate the result in G2. That's what makes this setup so useful. You only need to create the formula once, and after that, it does the work for you. If you want the calculator to be even easier to use, you can format the cells as currency so the values display more clearly. This helps make the worksheet look more professional and easier to understand at a glance. And that's it. As simple as that, you've created a basic cash calculator in Microsoft Excel that's quick, useful, and easy to maintain.